The infotainment system features a configurable drop-down menu to add favorite functions for easy access. As your finger approaches the top of the screen, the drop-down menu bar appears. Hold down to reveal the menu. From here, you can adjust the brightness of the screen by sliding the control button, or toggle between bright and dark themes by pressing the button. The 4 quick access buttons in the drop-down screen are customizable. To replace any of the buttons with other functions, press and hold a button until the feature options appear. Swipe to reveal additional options. Press and hold the desired function button and slide it to the upper part of the screen over the function you would like to replace. Once you have finished customizing your desired favorites, touch the X in the upper right corner to return to the drop-down menu. Use the quick access buttons in the drop-down menu to control their respective function. For instance, you can turn the Auto Start-Stop function off and back on again from this menu. Use the sound button to control balance and fade and other sound settings. More information and tips on personalization can be found in the digital manual available in the infotainment system, which you can access by tapping Home, then the Help icon. On the Operation tab, scroll the manual as you would on a tablet or phone.